So we start out today's video with someone who has long mid-back length hair. Looks like the stylist is doing a bob haircut for this one, adding in some color. Oh, loving the dramatic asymmetrical shape of this bob. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist doing another bob. This one also features an asymmetrical shape, but it's not as dramatic as the previous one. But both are beautiful. So moving on to transformation number 3. This one also features a bob. Stylist took the hair a tad bit darker. Oh wow, I really love the way that the color looks within the cut. And she did do more of like a pixie bob variation for this one. Very cute. And then we see someone with some gorgeous copper colored hair. Loving this hair trend. Wow, she has so much fullness within this bob. I cannot believe she added in clip and extensions. Her hair was already so thick and full. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I think the color is really what I adore most about it. So moving on to the next style. Looks like she might be doing a pixie haircut for this one. Wow. So I'm waiting to see if she's gonna leave like this long length that she has going there on the side. Okay, so she did cut it. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. There's actually a lot of women that are leaving like long layers in the front. So that's a very interesting hair trend that we're seeing right now. Here I think we have another bob haircut. Beautiful, nice, classic. This one comes to around shoulder length. Looks like another gorgeous all black bob. Some curls are added for the tousled appearance. Very nice. I think the tousled curls really gives the hair more like carefree feel overall. And then we have another bob hair transformation. This one looks like it does feature a little bit of curtain bangs going there in the front. Stylist is mixing in some highlights. Oh, I love how subtle this is. The color is gorgeous. And the curtain bangs frames the face beautifully. So he did add some waves for more of that tousled, carefree vibe. Chic and stylish bob. Nice tousled waves, really kind of giving like that French girl style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, I really like the low lights, highlights that the stylist added for that. Very subtle. Ooh, that is a lot of hair. Another beautiful angled bob style. She took a picture of her hair. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. So the stylist is mixing in some color for this bob. Nice classic bob hairstyle with the center part down the middle. Then we have another gorgeous bob with some color being worked in. Beautiful curtain bangs to frame out the face with this one as well. Beautifully done, so chic and stylish. So our last transformation is going to be of another bob haircut. There were so many in today's video. So the stylist adds in some color. Oh, beautiful bright blonde bob. Comes to around the shoulders and features a middle part. Definitely a stunner and a classic. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.